Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 5 English language teacher, and today you have to take out page number 24. On page number 24 we have studied about the collective nouns. Now what are collective nouns? Collective nouns are named group or members of a group or groups. It means that when you have to say collectively the same people or the same number of so many people or so many things together, we say it collectively. For example, when we have to say player number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but when we have to say it collectively, we say a team of players. In the same way, when you have to say and that one person, second person, third person, fourth person, but when we say it collectively, we say crowd of people. In the same way, if we have so many animals, cow and goat, but if we have to say it together, we say a herd of cattle. So collective noun is used to say the number of so many people together or the number of things together. In After this we have done to underline the verbs that agrees with the collective noun. Now collective noun is although singular, but it is referring to the plural, because in a singular word it is describing so many things together. For example, audience. Audience is not only one. Audience means so many people. So audience is a plural. So with the plural you have to add the verb will be singular. So audience know. The audience know that they were lucky to be listening to the great ghazal singer. Now panel is so many judges, panel of judges. So because panel is plural, although it is singular but it is plural, so the verb will be singular. Preside. Although it is small, our choir is, because choir means it's a plural, so is will be the singular verb is will be used with it. The cricket team. The cricket team is a collective noun and it is plural, so select will the select verb will come with it. Now the couple also is plural, although it is singular but it is plural, so the perform verb will come. In the same way, jury is plural, so is will come. And herd is a collective noun and it signifies plural, so lift, the singular verb will come. In the same way, pride is pride of lions. Pride is a collective noun and it is plural, but so the verb, a singular verb, roar will come. Roars will not come. Okay, then we have matched the nouns with their collective nouns. Fish, school of fish, birds, flock of birds, cow, herd of cow, lion, pride of lion, ants, colony of ants, puppies, litter of puppies, chicks, 7, brood of chicks, geese, gaggle of geese, bees, swarm of bees. In the same way, we have also solved the other side, and this I have also sent in the WhatsApp group also. So you can see from there, and you will put the numbers, and but you have to do all this work in your copies. So first you will write down the definition of collective nouns with the heading. Collective nouns heading will be with blue color as always, and then you will write the definition of collective nouns. Then you will write question number A and write the question with the blue color and solve this exercise in copy, and then solve exercise number B also in your copies. Then including this, you have to write a paragraph, only one paragraph, on qualities I possess that I am proud of. You have to write a paragraph on the quality that you have got. You can first define all the qualities in yourself, and then you will define any one quality or the so many qualities that you have, and that are so good that how are you proud of it and how is it helpful in your life. So I would love to see a very nice paragraph, and I'll judge it in the next class that who has written the best paragraph. Okay, thank you very much. The paragraph will be of one page will be enough. And this is your homework. These three things your homework. Do it in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.